Today we will master text manipulation using awk, set and tr commands, and why they are so powerful when using with or without pipelines. So let's get started. Awk is an interpreted programming language which focuses on processing text. We will not discuss the language itself here, but we will give some examples on how to use it on command line. So, first of all, here I have my awk.me.txt file and say I want to print only the second and third columns. To do this I can use command like the following. Note that the output is not separated. To separate it we need to use quotation marks like the following example. We also can type anything between these quotation marks like the following. Awk also can print only specific line using NR options like the following example. Which 3 is the line number we want to print out? And to delete empty line we can use awk with NF like the following. Second command is set. Set is a stream editor. A stream editor is used to perform basic text transformations on an input stream. In other language, set is used to replace strings. The common usage of set we will discuss here is for search the whole file and edit strings in it using our pattern like the following example. Note that we can use set and awk with pipelines too. Last but not least we have tr command. tr is an Unix utility used with pipelines for translating, or deleting, or squeezing repeated characters. So let's show some examples on how to use it. Here we can simply convert all small letters to capital letters. We can use tr to replace spaces with tabs like in the following example. tr can also be used to remove particular characters using -d option 2. Now, to remove all numbers from output we can use -d option followed by 0-9, which means any number from 0 to 9. And now we can do text manipulation using awk, set and tr commands to get the output we want to see faster and easier.